What I have here is actually an Excel spreadsheet that I use for some of my coursework entry, and I believe everyone actually have used the data tab, which is filter, alright, to create filters, search for information inside their tables or inside their sheets, or in this case the worksheet. And it's quite easy to use basically because you can just click this little arrow and run which one you want and do a search. But what I would like to point out is there is a filter right on top of the normal search that we do most of the time, or sort, that will change based on the data that you have. And in this particular column, I actually have a text filter, which is not very interesting because right now it only have one piece of data, which is my code. But look at the features that we have here. Right. You can actually begin with, end with a particular text or letter, okay, or search for some content, okay. And if I were to move to numbers, okay, let's say I were to look into these marks, right, and the number filter, I can even do numerical value, like for instance I want to find the top 10, okay, or those that is above average, alright, or those that are below certain value. So maybe right now I will look for those that is above average, and I can find that alright, all these records that I have now shown to me are all those that are above the average of the class. So do not just filter and use it just for your normal search, but instead you can actually use it in many different ways. Alright, and if you see there's a small little check mark next to it, right, like this one over here, okay, that means there is already a filter set over there. So what you can do is you can actually clear it. Alright, so learn to use this, particularly when you're working with Excel spreadsheet, alright, that has a lot of data for some form of data analysis. But it's a simple one. I'm sure everyone can pick this one out.